them. Then we'll get that all prepped as well. For my rear rim, have that coming through, and then what I'll be doing done by then, we'll be ready to rock and roll. So
2020.
It's better than the 2020. Yeah, that's gonna be the rotor. It's gonna be good. Get this one all masked up, ready to go. Back rim and the forks. So alrighty, getting these things painted up. It's not looking too shabby. Looks pretty good.
Ships in there.
Yeah.
Rockets.
But yeah, we got things moving right along here. It's good.